Hello everyone, this is Tamishwari, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Design. In this, my students from second year IT going to explain about the ER diagram from the subject MDBMS. Let's listen their ideas. Start.
I am Navis, I am from second year IT. I am going to explain about ER model. ER model stands for Entity Relationship, modeling high-level conceptual data model diagram. The ER model represents real-world entities and the relations between them. Creating an ER model in DBMS is considered as a best practice before implementing your database. ER diagram symbols and relations. Entity has a rectangle shaped symbol. Weak entity has a oval shape and association entity also have oval shape. Components and its symbols in ER diagram. Rectangles. This entity relationship diagram symbol represents entity types. Ellipse symbol represent attributes. Diamonds. This symbol represents relationships types. Lines, it links attributes to entity types and entity types with the other relationship types. Primary key. Attributes are underrated. Double ellipse represent multi-valued attributes. Components of ER diagram. Entities, attributes, relationships. Entity name as entity, person, place, object, event, or concept about which data is to be maintained. Example, car, student. Purpose, association between the intentions of one or more entity types. Example, blue car belongs to the student lab. Attribute, property of characteristics an entity. Example, color of car entity, name of the student entity. What is entity? An entity can be place, person, object, event, or a concept which stores data in the database. The characteristics of entities are must have an attribute and a unique key. Every entity is made up of some attributes which represent that entity. Example of entities: employee, person, employee, student, person, patient. Place, store, building, object, machine, product, and car. Event, sale, registration, and renewal. Concept, account, course.
I am Suresh from second year IT. Strong entity and weak entity. Strong entity it exists independently. Weak entity depends on strong entity. It cannot exist its own. Strong entity has its unique identifier. Does not have its unique identifier. Strong entity represented by a single line rectangle in ER diagram. Represented with a double line rectangle in ER diagram. Example in ER diagram: customer strong entity, loan weak entity, borrow it's a relationship, CAD and CNAM is attributes. Attributes. An attribute is the property or character that describes an entity. Like a student having name, age, roll number. Next. These are attribute types. Next. Cardinality defines the numerical attribute of relationship between the two entities or entity sets. Cardinality ratios: many to many cardinality, many to one cardinality, one to many cardinality, one to one cardinality.
I am from second year BTech IT. Explain about how create an entity relationship diagram. Entity identification, relation identification, cardinality identification, identity attributes, create ERD. Example, in university, a student enrolled a course, a student must be assigned at least one or more courses. Entity identification, relationship identification, step 3, cardinal identification, step 4, identity attributes, step 5, create an ER diagram. In first step, identity identification, student, course, professor. In second step, relation identification, student, assigned, course, professor. Step 3, identity identification, student, assigned, course. Step 4, identity attributes, entity, student, professor, course. Primary key, student ID, employee ID, course. Attributes, student name, professor name, course name. Student ID, student, student name, assigned course ID, course name, delivered employee ID, professor name. Step 5, create an year diagram. Student ID, assigned course ID, course name, delivered professor ID, professor name.
Best practice for developing effective year diagram. Eliminate any redundant entity or relationship. You need to make sure that all your entity and the relationship are properly labeled.
Hello everyone, myself Pradeep, BTech IT second year. You need to make sure that the ER diagram supports all data you need to store. You should assure that each entity only appears a single time in the ER diagram.
Hello everyone, I am Shirish, second year BTech IT. Name every relationship, entity and attributes are represented in the diagram. Use colors to highlight important portions of the ER diagram.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you understood the concept of ear diagram. My students explained the ear diagram in a simple and understandable way. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Thank you.
Thank you.